Everyone, my name is Will Boyd. I'm a homeschooling father of 7, and we love doing homeschool science. And so this is an unboxing video, unboxing party here for Noeo Science, and it's the Bio 1 bundle. So here we go. At the top of the box, in priority order, the instructor's guide and the student lab manual. The instructor's guide is your key to success here, and it's been designed and laid out really simply. You can see a lot of the close-up pages at noeoscience.com. If you click on some of those links, you'll be able to see what these pages look like. I'll show you a few, but really want to encourage you. Take it 30 minutes to an hour and just read through this, and you're gonna feel so much more prepared about your calendar year for homeschool science. We've laid out the scope and sequence really clearly, and I'll talk a little bit about the Noeo philosophy, how we use living books and activities. And so in this booklet, we've got a variety of things. You've got your weekly schedule of topics the whole year right here on one page. You can look at the list, see what topics you'll cover, and see when they're taking place. And so that gives you a lot of freedom. A lot of parents love to adapt and adjust and add and subtract, and that is why we do it this way. Another thing that's super helpful about Noeo Science Instructor's Guides are we take that weekly schedule and put each week on one page. And so you can see your 4-day science week right there. A lot of parents do 4 days a week, maybe 30 minutes a day-ish. But other parents like to stack it, and maybe they do science Monday, Wednesday, or science Tuesday, Thursday, and do an hour or so per day. It's up to you, whatever works best for your family. But everything you need as far as the books go, as far as supplies and activities, they're all listed here. And then each day is narrated. This is what you do on day 1. Read the assigned pages and describe or sketch what you learned in your science notebook. And you look up there at day 1 and you see, okay, we're reading about rain today. Perfect. So a lot about weather in this Bio 1 unit to accompany the natural world. There are also some lab templates in here. I'll show you them. There's some lab templates from students who have done labs in the past, and they are recreated here just to get a sense for what other kids do. But in the student lab manual, we have gazillions of perforated lab templates. From simple and easy, like this one, draw a picture of what you saw and maybe write about it, to a little bit of the kind of the pre-science method here. What I did, what I saw, and I think this happened because. So we're cultivating that creational thinking. We're cultivating thinking scientifically when we study or observe something. And so you can assess your own child's ability in those areas and use the template that's going to work best for them. A lot of parents kind of upgrade over the course of the year and start using the more rigorous template at the end. All right, let's dig into the fun. There's our Young Scientist Activity Bundle. 5 experimental kits here. We've got the senses. This is a fantastic activity, and you're going to be basically doing taste tests, smell tests, sound and sight and touch tests, understanding how critical senses are for understanding the natural world. This kit is, I believe, for the heart. There's a focus on human anatomy in this bundle. This one is bacteria and fungi, one of my favorites. You get your own petri dishes. Your child gets to be a microbiologist, and you're going to grow bacteria in your home. Maybe that doesn't sound like the best idea, Mom, but it's going to be under control. They're going to be in their petri dishes eating their agar jelly, and you're going to watch fungal and bacterial growth. I'll show you this. I'll show you this experimental sheet here. Some helpful tools that are included in here as well. Always more experiments on this list than we require in the instructor's guide, but that just means there's always more to do. And so one of the helpful things here in this one is a table. So starting to think about plotting data. How many bacterial colonies were growing in day 5 or day 10? And so that's all included in that kit. Other experiments include bones and muscles. And those go really well with this book way down here at the bottom. Yeah, First Encyclopedia of the Human Body. So a great side-by-side. And that's how it's laid out. We got the living book you're going to read Monday. We got the bones and muscle activity you do Tuesday. So it's integrated. It's organized into a nice progressive manner. One of my absolute favorite books in this kit, and there's a lot of them. There's a lot of books in this kit, is the One Small Square series. And so this is a child's first look at an ecosystem. And so one small square, kind of hard to say that, one small square of a seashore, one small square of woods, one small square of a forest. We've got a biography from Louis Pasteur. We've got activities with plants. And we've got some other biographies as well about everyone's favorite John James Audubon, coloring book to go along with it, a whole series on weather, and last but not least, two more. This one, actually incredible book on weather. Keep these around. Please keep these books. You're going to find useful ways and more uses for them in the future, I'm sure, for your other children. And then last but not least, First Animal Encyclopedia. Really fantastic encyclopedia, coffee table book. Lots of wonderful photos and explanation and discussion about animals. That is Nueo Biology 1. Thanks a lot.